Hey, what's up everybody? This is Osama here. And in this video, I'm going to talk about how can you collect some key information inside of your chat widget using the custom fields in GoHighLevel. So let's dive into our sub account here. I'm under Sites and under the chat widget over here, I'm going to click on New and we're going to create SMS/email chat. So this is the chat widget that we will create. And in this example, I'm going to do this for a car business or car dealership where we want to install a chat widget on the website where people can make requests. So if somebody is looking for a specific car, we want them to submit a make, model, and year, and then we'll get that information and our sales agent will get back to them if we have that car available or not. So how do we do that? Let's find out. I'm going to click on the chat window over here, and then you'll see this is the default information the chat widget asks for. So we have the name, the phone, and the message, right? Now, of course, you want to collect some more information. So how do we do it? We'll click on title and intro on the left here. And then if you scroll down, you'll see we have contact form option. So this is a new feature where we can add up to 5 total fields. So we have 3 right now. We can add 2 more. I'm going to get rid of the message here. We definitely want to keep at least one unique identifier like a phone or an email. So we have the phone number there, which is fine. So we'll keep name and phone here, but now I want to add make, model, and here. And how do we do that? So the first thing you have to make sure is that you have created a custom field. If you have not already done that, I'll just quickly show you how to do it. So let's save this here. I'll go back and we'll head over to settings here, and then we'll go to custom fields. And from here, you can click on add field. You can choose a single line. It will be a text field. That's fine. We'll go to next. And then here you can say make of the car, right? And then you can group it under a specific folder. You can do the contact. That's fine. And then you can click on save. Once it is saved, you just have to repeat the process for the other 2. I'm going to head back to our chat widget as I already have these created. So let's head back here to our chat widget. We'll go to chat window again, and under title and intro, again, this is really transform the contact form option. So I will type in or search make. So we have the vehicle make, and then I'm going to search for model. So we have vehicle model, and then I have a field for the year as well. So now you can see that we are able to collect the contact information, and in addition to that, vehicle make, model, and year. So we have a total of 5 fields that we can collect. We cannot do another one, as you can see, because it limits to 5 fields only as of now. So once we have these added, we can customize the other information. So on the top, it says have a question. So I'll change that to something that makes more sense for a car dealership. So we can say looking for your dream car, make an inquiry. So this is what will make sense for a car dealership. And then of course, you can change the other stuff as well. And then we can also change the button text from send to something that is more personalized, maybe something like make car inquiry. So this looks good. And then the next thing I'm going to change is this intro message here. So we can change it to something like enter the following details for making an inquiry for your dream car. So this is starting to look like it does belong to a car dealership. And this is much more personalized. So this is something you can do as well for different niches or for your business. And then under additional options, I'm going to turn off the agency branding. So that looks a bit more neat. And then under messaging, of course, you can change the acknowledgement or the customer support contact. You can customize the colors, and you can make sure that your widget basically resembles the car dealership's branding, and you can customize the welcome message as well. So these are the details that you can add, and you can make sure that you collect the best information for the type of business that you're running, or maybe for your clients. And having this information upfront will really give a good idea to your sales team to best serve the customers. And this is something you can do for any kind of niche or any kind of industry by making use of this option of using custom fields inside of the chat widget. That was about this video. This is Osama signing off. I'll see you in the next one.